Hi, my name is Marcus and welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been an owner of a variety of DJI products and run their applications on my Android phone for a number of years. Some of the DJI products I've owned are the Osmo Mobile series gimbals, as well as the Mavic series drones and the Ronin series of gimbals. Recently, when my Android phone updated, I started to notice that a variety of my DJI applications would no longer launch. I would click on the icon and they would open for a split second and then close immediately, and then I would click on the icon again and they would just not open. So in this video, we're going to take a look at how we can resolve that. This video might be useful to you if you're a long-term DJI user and you just can't figure out why recently that your app stopped opening. It can also be useful to anyone who has purchased their first DJI device and went to the Google Playstore to install the app only to find out that it's not there. Or perhaps it was there and you downloaded it, installed it, and tried to run it, but it just did not run on your phone or your tablet. So if you're a regular subscriber of mine and you do not own any DJI products, the DJI Osmo Mobile Gimbal is a little gimbal that sells for under around $150 US that you can connect your phone to and create cool little time lapses and stabilize video as you're walking or moving about. And the DJI Mavic 2 and Mavic 3 drones I regularly use to shoot some of my overhead shots at car shows and events and things of that nature. Here's a list of all the different applications that DJI makes for Android devices. These are the ones that I believe that you'll have an issue with as of April 2022 when you go to install them or update them using the Google Play Store. The applications in green are the ones I've personally experienced an issue with. So first we're going to take a look at the issue where there's no application in the Android store. This would apply to somebody who for the very first time is getting around to installing the DJI app on their Android phone, or who has uninstalled the app and then went later to install it again. So you might do a search for DJI Ronin, for example, in the Android Google Play Store and find nothing other than the Ronin Assistant, which is not the correct application. Or maybe you search for one of those other DJI apps and you find it, install it, but it doesn't run. So that's scenario number one. You can't find the app or you install it. And then you're in scenario number two, where you've installed it and it won't open. So here I'm trying to click on the icon to open up the DJI app. It will not open. And then I try to swipe over and get it to open because it's technically open, but I just can't see it. But no matter what, it just does not open. I cannot open up DJI Mimo like I used to. So here I tried to select clear cache and then open the app, but same thing, it doesn't open. So in both these scenarios, we have the same situation, it won't open. So how are we going to resolve the application not opening any longer? We need to go directly to the DJI.com website and download the file directly from DJI. This is a little bit unusual. Most applications and companies don't make you do this. One thing you'll likely need to do in this first scenario is select Settings and then select Allow from the source to allow the app to go ahead and update. So you're giving Chrome permissions to execute applications for the purposes of installation. I was able to use the prior method to install the DJI Go4 app, but when I downloaded the DJI Mimo app from Chrome, I was presented with the following two options, neither of which would install the file. So I needed to find a new method that would allow me to select and install the downloaded file. So what I did is go to the Google Play Store and did a search for CX File Explorer. It's very much like Windows File Explorer in a Windows environment. So once it was downloaded, I selected Open to open up the application, selected Next, selected Next again. And on this screen, we need to give CX File Explorer permissions to access all files because it's a file management system. Next, I selected Downloads. And there was the APK from DJI. So I went ahead and selected the APK and was presented with two options. The one that I needed to select was finally available, which is Package Installer. So I selected it and selected Just Once. When the following warning appeared, I selected Settings, selected the radio box for CX File Explorer, and selected Install. And then finally, after that app was installed, I was able to select Open and finally get into the DJI Mimo app. In the prior examples, we gave permission to CX File Explorer and Chrome to install unknown apps. It may be advisable to go into your settings and do a search for those applications. And for each app that you gave permissions to, you'll want to select it and then scroll down to Install Unknown Apps and uncheck the radio button, Allow from the source. We don't want it to install any additional APK files without your express permission. So those are the couple things that I found that allowed me to get my DJI apps working again on my Android phone. If you find these things worked for you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure to comment below if you have any theories on why it is that DJI no longer places their apps in the Google Play Store. Please give me your wild, unfounded, baseless theories on why this might be. But this is enough of an annoyance to me that I'm thinking on my next phone upgrade I might switch over from Android to Apple and just going to get around it that way, since there doesn't seem to be this situation in the Apple environment like there is in the Android environment. Those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching this video to the end, and I hope it helped you resolve your issues.